And 3, 2, 1, go!
I think that for a lot of people, there's a part of us that inherently wants to be outside, and there's this longing to be out in nature.
What's unique about this one, it's more of a social event, which I really like, and it's truly well organized.
There's one.
I think the reason people do the classics is because it brings you closer to each other and to nature. When you're out there walking for days and you start struggling, you help each other out and you feel a sort of connection.
Good morning.
Good morning. How was the second night?
Oh, great. Really great.
It's pretty nice. It's soft to sleep here.
Do you have any strategy to make it through the day?
Just keep on walking.
Yeah, that's it. Gotta keep those energy levels high. Get some sugars in.
Days like this is when the equipment really matters, because you get wet, you're gonna get cold, and then it's gonna be awful. But with the right gear, then you're all set.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Today it's gonna be fine.